At this point, we're looking really close to what we have in the mockups. Let's go ahead and log out from the browser where we're currently a site editor. I'm going to go ahead and click log out in the guide. And let's compare what we see here with the mockup. I'm going to jump over to the mockup. So let's go ahead and look at the header here. I'm going to jump back to the browser. So we have our cloud background, we have our logo. Our navigation looks pretty close to what it looks like in the mockup. As far as the main content goes, let's go ahead and check this out line by line. We have the title. I'm going to jump back. It looks like we're using some different text for the title here. But besides that, the look is the same. The main content here, if we jump back, it looks pretty close. We've added an extra paragraph here at the end. But besides that, the text looks in line with what we see in the mockup. As far as the image goes and the requirements to be able to modify the image later, we have the image here, and we've integrated our WYSIWYG to be able to work with this as time goes by. We have the search box to the right, and then in the browser, we have the search box as well. And then in the footer, we have a single login and the rocky background. And if we scroll down on our page, we'll see we have the rocky background and the login here as well. Okay, so we are very, very close.